Fredi Tusime ari pastor w'ikaniseje nashobora ngu bakatandika okukorera hitakeri erukwingana hika mushanju mwaka 2025 eryabahirwe obukama obwabunyoro okutekaho ekanisa okusya obu investor owahoima Sugar Factory Limited yeizire nawe akatandika kutura heihi n'omwanya gwabo ahi RDC ariyo n'ababenga okurugerwa ahari tumusime RDC emirundi nyamwingi atwire nareta abebyo kwirinda ahakanisaho batuntuza abashabi ogeisireho RDC okushenya ekanisejo na nishomero eryateyirweho
RDC anteganisi munonga twabentu tekeza ngo government ekatuyamba yabituyeho RDC abityamira muri Masindi twine busingi nkanyu mwebembezi w'ekanisa ahantu ho gukora umurimo w'ekanisa tahine handi tahine gundo umurimo gukoraho nyebebera abantu ishabira abarwaire bakira kanyu nishomero ryanjyaha barshenye bariho abana bona bariyaha RDC na leta abasirikare batera abantu mu cyaci barigamo
Eliya Mugume ari omwe ahabarukushabira mu kanisejo nashobora ngu kabuyonjo hamwe n'amezi ebyabeire biteyirwo omwanya ogwo nabyo bikashenywa oteireho orugudo rukuza ahishomeraho narwo okukingwa Mugume nashobora ngu abebembezi b'ekicweka ekyo na RDC bona tibeteire ahabyo kubayamba nuko kushaba gavumenti kuyebitahamo
aha tukayijaho twine obusinge omuhinda akatekaize konko muhindu kuyatandikira nijaha obusinge bwabura kwiho batusharaho batuhinga amajwaga mwe bagashenye zatoye zimwe bashenye hamwe n'ishomero bashenye imihanda yona bakagikinga ito twine kuraba omuntu kwa kuwaraha omutantwe nako kumutwara kumwirwaro ate imihanda ibura chairman ntumukiza enshonga zaitu wanga chairman takwenda kurira enshonga zaitu ba RDC abatokwenda kurira enshonga zaitu
Mary Apofia nashobora ngu akayinishomero mwaka 2023 ahakanisaho konkati ekashenywa n'abana tibeneho kushomera obwo hakabere haruho ishomero.
I had a school here in 2023 and then the school was demolished by then when investor came in this area. They demolished the school and they were helped by some of the district leaders, that is the LRDC and some security groups. So now I have a challenge that the children are here, they are not schooling. Sometimes we are under the trees, the rain hit us.
Hatunyo ndi wa business, ndi mukozi wa business, konkani nkora habo kugira ngo ikanisejeho yataro tinkora kandi mbanta ino kwihahandi. Tinyine rent yo kuzumutaho no kuzakora. Aha hundu tinkushashora rent. Konkija kajukanje kuba izire bakifigura batere ibintu byanje babiyata.
Omukugaruka mwebyo byona Darius Nandinda RDC wa Masindi nashobora ntumusime aina abantu benji abahire obutuze okurugwa mu district stars zimwe na zimwe aha mwanya ogwongo n'abashabera Nandinda nashobora ngu okuchondoza nukuoreka ko abantu aba barwire ndwara zitari zimwe na zimwe abamwe barwire ndwara z'emitima abande kokoro ecyari kushobora ngu tumusime tari kubasa no kushoborora abantu aba ahi barukuruga.
One thing for sure, he has no capacity to establish where these people are coming from, and we wonder those people in bad shape when they die, where does he bury them? They don't have a trace. He cannot trace his relatives and whatever. We have reports that people are buried there in the sugarcane plantations. Number two, the hygiene is very bad. There are no toilets, so the sanitation is very poor.
Nashobora ngunka district bashaziremu okushemeza buri kirofa cyona okurebeka ngu yaguma eriye kanisa hatari kicweka ekyo kuraza abantu abatari kumanywa ahi barukuruga okwehare bikorwa nk'ibyarebirweho mu district ya Kanungo.
We are saying let people get away, and we shall involve the medical personnel, we shall involve the district people, we shall make the LOCs so that we clean up that place and it remains the church like any other church.
Gasha kwa Innocent atuganyira Ahabw'Okubaganzya West.